Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can sign up in your Quotex app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get signed up in your Quotex app, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself, and once it opens you need to simply tap on the registration option. So once you tap on it, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on the country which you are connected from, and then your email address, and finally your password. After you do so, you need to type in the currency that you want to trade in. So once you select the country currency as well, you need to tap on I confirm that I'm 18 years old or older and hit the continue button. After you do so, you will now be officially signed up in your Quotex app, as your account has now been created. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.